How to log into Credit One Bank credit card online account. Hi guys, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you guys on logging into your Credit One Bank credit card online account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device and go to creditonebank.com, type in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will take you to the official website, from where you need to first locate the login portal in the right side of the screen. Here on the first box, enter the correct form of your username and followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. Now check this box of remember my browser so I can sign in faster if you want this system or this computer to remember your credentials for the future login. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can go ahead and click on Forgot Username and Forgot Password link in order to successfully retrieve or reset your credentials. And if you haven't set up an online account, you can click on this link over here in order to access it. So after entering the correct form of your credentials, simply go ahead and click on Secure Sign-in, that is highlighted in blue color, in order to successfully log into your Credit One Bank account. To apply for a new credit card, click on See if you qualify and provide your details for eligibility checks. If eligible, complete the online form for the credit card application and the bank will review your application, and if approved, you will receive a decision through a mail or email. Your new credit card will arrive by mail in a few business days upon approval. So that wraps up for this video. For more questions and concerns, please leave them in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.